Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before going inside the video, we request all our subscribers to subscribe our channel and promote it. Today our spiritual pointer is, what is love? Jesus is the only person who told love is God. All the other religions maintained that God is love. Now what is love? Love is that existential reality that connects all the beings and non-beings in the whole existence. Had there been no love in our life, what would be life? It has no significance at all. Now, what is the role of love in a spiritual person's life? It is the most important aspect of our life. Why life has so many problems? It is all because of want of love. If we love each other, there would be no problems. There would be no insider or outsider. For a loving person, these differences do not make any sense. For him, the whole existence functions under the reality love. For him, love is everything. A loving person does not think too much of him. He is not concerned about him. He is concerned about the whole existence. Whenever he loves, he experiences the glimpse of death. Ultimately, love will take him or her to the timeless side of existence. We are experiencing so many problems in our day-to-day life. If love is there, there would be no problems at all. Because of want of love only, all the problems exist. So, a spiritual person inquires and investigates into this aspect of life very deeply. In another one sense, love is same as meditation. A person who has a meditative mind will certainly encounter love. He observes the whole existence. The existence loves him or her from infinite sources. When a spiritual seeker realizes this, he is totally relaxed. His mind becomes very calm and quiet. He can achieve stillness of mind by experiencing this love. All distractions of his being will come to end. So, a loving person is concerned about the whole of humanity. He does not divide a human being on the basis of religion, caste, language, geographical location, or any other divisions created by human mind and hand. He disregards all those divisions. So, love makes him to go beyond all these man-made divisions, and when time goes ahead, he will be experiencing the immortality of the life. So ultimately, love will take him to the unknown aspect of life. Therefore, love is mysterious, ever new, and inspiring. So it plays a very important role in a spiritual seeker's life. In the forthcoming video, once again we will come up with another one very important topic like this.